everybody. Sorry, I'm just kind of a mess. Today I'll be making fish salad udon. It's a cold dish, perfect for a hot day like today. Okay, so I have boiling water here. Today I'm going to be using this type of udon that's already pre-cooked. You could also use dry udon. It doesn't matter what you use. Woo! Make sure to use cold water. And wash your noodles until they get really cold. Like the first time you put water in, the noodles are probably very hot even though you're using cold water. So don't stick your hand in the first time. I've done that before. It's a horrible experience. Okay. そこの下のさ、ツナ缶取ってくれる? Okay, so we're going to put the cooked udon in the bowl. For one person, I'm going to put some baby leaves on top. I'm gonna put some cut tomatoes on. Okay, and some corn. And some tuna fish. You don't really need to drain it because we need some oil on our udon anyway. And I'm going to add shirasu, the little fish, because my kids love this. You probably can't get it in your country, so just stick with tuna fish. That's fine. Okay. Put a little bit of sesame oil on. This sauce is for like udon and soba and Japanese noodles. Just a little bit on top, some mayonnaise, some pepper. That is it.